Hello and welcome back to Creative Edmo. I hope you have been using all the new words we have discussed so far. The only way to really improve your vocabulary is to use all the new words that you learn in your daily conversation. Only then those words will become part of your active vocab. So let's talk about today's word. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. So today's word is a 7-lettered word and it means very cruel. So rather than using the word very again and again, you can use the smart word to convey what you mean to say. So let's discuss about this word. This word is used to describe someone who is cruel and insensitive. It can also be used to describe someone's insensitive actions or intentions. Now the word is callous. C-A-L-L-O-U-S. Callous. Now this word is used for hard-hearted people, that is people who are insensitive. So in the same way, this word can also be used to describe hard skin. This is the second meaning of this word. That is to describe the hardened and thickened skin. Now let's see how we can use this word in sentences. His callous disregard for human life shocked me. That means he had no care for human life. The carpenter had callous hands. That means thickened, hardened hands. Now this word is also used as callously as an adverb and callousness as a noun. Let's see how. She callously put her son's life in danger. That means she was insensitive enough to put her son's life in danger. The callousness with which he spoke scared me. So I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to Creative Edmo. See you next time.